Hello friends, welcome to the grammar quiz. For each correct answer, you get 1 point. Keep track of your score and don't forget to comment your final score at the end of the video. Before diving into it, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing quizzes. Let's get started and see how many you can answer right.
Use at for specific points or locations like a bus stop. To is used when you're moving toward a destination. Use in for enclosed spaces like offices where activities happen. In is for enclosed or large spaces like a park. Use at for workplaces or specific establishments. At is used for specific locations like the airport. To is used when moving to a place or city. We use in for rooms like the kitchen. Use at for exact points like an entrance. In is for enclosed spaces like hotels or buildings. To is used when moving toward an event like a concert. At is used for specific points like train stations. In is used for large areas like continents and countries. Use in for being inside a vehicle like a bus. Use at for specific points like street corners. Thank you for watching. Well, I want to know your score. Write it in the comments. And thank you for leaving like and subscribing. You support me a lot. See you in the next video.